Who'd have guessed that this was gonna be so easy? Why, I would have done it sooner had I known. 'Cause unless I'm very wrong, it won't be very long until my skinny bottom's on the throne. Oh yes, let her have a bit of fun, the little hussy. After all, it's merely part of my design. Let her flitter all about, 'cause time is running out. And long before she's his, she will be mine. As for that poor unfortunate soul, time's up. She's through. Sure, a contract is a contract. Fair is fair and blah, blah, blah. Well, guess what, boys? Whoop-de-doo! That poor unfortunate soul, she'll learn. I don't lose. If she thinks for half a minute this is gonna be a stroll, she can kiss my you-know-what, 'cause you know who is in control. Starting now, you betcha Pippi, she's really in the hole. That